worship upon falsehood. Some people worship man, like those who worship Jesus, the son of Mary. Some people worship images and pictures. Some people worship the stars, the sun, the moon. Some people worship trees. Some people worship even the saints, the human who die. Some people even worship cow, animal. But the true religion is to worship the Creator, not the creation. To worship the Creator, not the creation. Creation who created nothing, rather the creation itself was created by Allah. So the believer, when someone wants to convert to Islam, he bear witness, Allah ilaha illallah, that there is no true God but Allah. The second principle is that وَأَشْهَدُ أَنَّ مُحَمَّدًا رَسُولُ اللَّهِ. I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is the seal and the last of the messengers of Allah. Prophets of Allah, those whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talked to them, chosen them, it started with the first human, who was Adam. Our father Adam was a prophet. And the last of the prophets of Allah is Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. So the person should say, I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. So to summarize, these are the two principles. Someone should believe it and say it to be a Muslim. To bear witness, that to testify that there's no true God but Allah. Only Allah is the true God. And that Messenger Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, the seal of the messenger, the last prophet of Allah.